Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gale, here to share the August 2025 Cafe Card Kit. So our card kit comes out every other month. Along with our kit, you'll have access to a free recipe card. These are designed by our design team, and so they'll create cards and give you their cutting and assembly instructions, and you'll have a color photograph to see what it's going to look like and create right along with them, or just give you inspiration what to do with your kit. This month we're featuring Bo Bunny, Colorful Story, and it's a beautiful collection, just kind of a pastel rainbow color, lots of florals and butterflies, super cute. So let's dig right in. So we're going to start with 2 sheets of 8.5 by 11 black cardstock and 2 sheets of 8.5 white cardstock. These are really heavy weight, so they can be used for extra card bases because we give you tons of product to create with. We also give you 6 card blanks that are pre-scored and 6 envelopes, but like I said, you have a lot of extra product here to play with, so you can definitely get more than 6 cards. So let's dig into all of the fun things now. Let's start with the patterned paper. This is a third pack of the Lawn Fawn Gleeful Gradients Collection Pack. That is a mouthful. So you can see this is where the gradient comes in. We start at pink and go to a peach. All of these are one-sided papers, but it's a heavy cardstock weight. We have pink with the little white stars, another gradient that's orange to yellow, and a yellow with the stars. Then we now have another gradient that's orange to yellow, an aqua with the stars, and then a blue to aqua gradient, this kind of periwinkle purple with the stars, and then we have pink to blue, a light blue with stars, and then a rainbow gradient, which is really cute, and then a rainbow gradient with stars. So that is the pattern paper you have to play with. You're going to get a yard of black satin ribbon. This is the narrow ribbon. You're going to get 2 doilies. These are in the white, and you're going to get some enamel dots. Again, it has that rainbow of colors. And then you're going to get 6 sentiments that have been pre-stamped and die cut. These are so cute. I love this one. I made you this card, Now We're Even. That is super cute. Okay, for the embellishments, you're going to get a mixture here of the Colorful Story floral ephemera and the icon ephemera. So let me just move this. So you can see we have a little pink film strip. That's the acetate, a jar that's acetate. Lots of these gorgeous florals, and you can see these rainbow butterflies here. You have some in every color. So the embellishments will vary among the packs, but this is a good example of what you'll be getting. Just lots of flowers, little icons, and a few acetate pieces. So that is all of the ephemera pieces. So one more look at this month's card kit. Be sure to check out our Facebook group, our blog, and our YouTube channel here. Be sure to subscribe to all of them so that you'll get all of the updates, see all of the amazing things that the designers create along with your fellow subscribers. We want to thank you so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.